Hey, what's up guys, this is Winston and today we have a new toy. Yes, it's our very first new toy for 2018. It's the Yelangu L4 Auto Dolly. Yes, version 4. So what this does is a motorized version of the dolly that we used before. So it's compact, it's USB chargeable, comes with a remote control, and it should be pretty good to use. So we tested it with the our iPhone and also with the DSLR camera. So as you were aware, we did a quick review unboxing of the manual dolly. Now this is something that you've probably seen before, very affordable, around about $20 US, something around there, $20-30 US. And the only thing is you have to manually push it. With the Yelangu L4 Auto Dolly, it's all motorized. So this is something that we've been very excited to use because some of the amazing footage you can get from this. So let's do a quick unboxing and see some of the video footage we can get. See you there. So we have the Yelangu Auto Dolly L4, version L4. Let's do a quick unboxing. Okay, let's take a look. We have the instruction manual, yep, and the warranty card, and then we have the Yelangu L4 Auto Dolly, motorized dolly with the foldable wheels. Alright, we'll put that on the side and we'll see what else is in the box. Okay, so here we have the remote control, very nice. You see that? I guess it's play, pause, and then the kind of reverse, and the speed control right there. Alright, what else? USB charging cable, yeah. And then we have a spare kind of rubber O-ring. I guess it's for the wheels right here, so you can replace the wheel O-rings. I guess it's for grip, so we've got a spare one of those. Alright, we have an Allen key. Yeah, so the Allen key, I guess here is where you tighten the wheel, and also this one actually extends out as well. So Allen key, useful to tighten and loosen the nuts there for your wheels. The spare battery, yeah, it's the battery for the remote control, and we also have the thread, quarter thread, and 3/8 for the mounts, and this one actually comes loose. So let me show you how it looks like. You can see there's 2 mounts there. That fits here, and then you can mount your DSLR camera or iPhone clamp there, or smartphone clamp, and you reverse this and put it on this side. That gives you, then you can mount a ball joint onto that as well, depending on how you want to configure it. So yeah, useful, very useful. So put that back in, and that's pretty much it for the accessories. Put everything back in, and then we'll look at the unit itself. Yes, Yelangu L4 motorized dolly. You've got foldable wheels, so that will, in a T shape like this, it will do the straight kind of motion right here like that. The remote control allows you then to you know, movement. You can pause the movement, and this reverse here is basically, if it rolls that way, left, and you can then press your button to go right, and they got 3 speeds. So let me show you. Alright, so here you can see there's speed, and there's 3 LED or 4 LED indicators. This one here is basically power, and when you plug the USB cable in there, they'll turn red or green depending on the charge. And then you got 3 LEDs, green LEDs, different speeds. So you can press a button manually, or you can actually push the speed right here for the speeds. And then the reverse and forward, basically the same button here, this one here. That gives you the forward and reverse motion. And then on the other side, you can quickly look at that. Then you have the USB charging port, and then obviously the on-off for the unit. So as I said, the T shape, if you put the arms out T-shape like this, it will do the motion right or the left. If you angle it like this, then you'll get you the curve kind of movement like this. And then this one is the other movement, which is a slower one. I'll give you some footage of how it's mounted with the ball joint. So take a look at the Yelangu L4 in action. So we have the unboxing of the Yelangu L4 motorized dolly for DSLR and smartphones.
So I know you enjoyed this video, so you know what to do. Hit the like button and leave a comment below. You can actually purchase all the items mentioned here via the links down there. Visit our website and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Until then, this is Winston for Funkykit.com.